Hello everyone, welcome back to For Engineering. In today's lesson, I want to continue on top 100 shortcuts in AutoCAD 2024. This one is part 5. Let's start. The first one is AL for align. Select object, right click, specify first point, and the next one, and enter. Next, mirror, MI for mirror. Let's mirror this object and this. Right click, specify the first point, and as you see, next one is QDIM for quick dimension. Select geometry to dimension, for example, this line and this, this and this and this one. And right click, this one Q dimension, quick dimension. MT for multi-text. GRADIENT for hash gradient. Another one is boundary. For boundary, let's make a circle and a line. Let's make a new boundary for this part. BO for boundary. Pick point, pick internal point inside this part and right click. As you see, we make a new boundary. LIYLCK for look layers. Select any of them, right click, we look at this layer. F3 for object snap off toggle for turn on or off. F12 for dynamic input toggle, as you see here. The final one is LIY work for review and manage layer content. Thanks for watching, guys.